Welcome back to Jay Wheelie, guys. Today we're in the Terwillegar dog park here, and I wanted to give you guys a little update on the channel. So this is going to be a mountain bike video today, obviously. Channel, if you haven't been watching, is mostly my two hobbies, which is one, cars, and two, biking, whether that be mountain biking or BMXing, dirt jumpers, whatever it may be. Today we're just going to ride through the Terwillegar dog park. We have some ice in here, as you can see, and then I gotta get over to my mom's place here, so it'll be some urban riding at the end there. It's still really wet and mucky in here. I'm not gonna be going crazy, but I thought I'd give you guys a little bit of mountain bike footage, because why not? I think that's all I wanted to say. Let's get biking here. Here we go. See if we can make it through. Ooh. I need a lower gear for that. Uh-oh. Oh, this is so sketchy. Oh, okay. Here we go. Oh. I pumped up my tires as well, back to summer tire pressure, which is, I don't know what I put them at, like 50 PSI or so. For winter, I had them lower at like around 30 PSI, so they had lots of bulge and lots of give to grip on ice and snow. My front brake, as you can see, doesn't do a hell of a lot unless you pump it, so I gotta be careful on the ice. Okay, what's my best way out of here? I don't really want to go that way. I want to go this way. Oh, this is so sketchy. Especially because my tire is worn out in the rear. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh. Oh. Come on, Betsy. Oh, thank you, Lord. Did my chain fall off? Nope, just in really low gear. Ew, why did I go this way? Oh, little bridge. I honestly expected the trails to be a lot more dry. Little wheelie for all the kids at home. No octagons here. No octagons at any time. You know what I gotta do one of these times? We gotta go for an urban ride downtown. Maybe bring the Jer dog, because I used to do that every day after work, because I needed my adrenaline fix. So I'd go riding through traffic in the hard rush hour, blowing red lights, skitching through cars. Skitching isn't the right word, but weaving through cars. I don't think I've ever skitched on a mountain bike. I skitched on a BMX. Let's see what we got. See if we can bring it up here. Those legs need a couple 100 kilometers of conditioning. I'm a fat winter boy right now. Oh, I love a little bit of back braking. Feels good to be on a bike. Oh, maybe a little wheelie here. You got a wheelie, right? The most dangerous spots. It's one of my favorite spots as a kid to just rip by. People are turning everywhere. Just rip a little wheelie and go. Can't believe people are riding motorcycles already. With all this gravel, that's crazy. I would be too if I had one. Man, that smells good. It's become very common these days for nobody to look at you when you pass by. There's even sometimes that I say hello to somebody and they don't even look, or they say hello but they still don't look at you. They stare forward and say hi. Don't want to get the coronavirus. Arms are sweaty. Going to mom's house for spaghetti. Coming up on your right. Coming around this way. Coming up on your left. Little Chihuahua. Oh yeah, these legs need some condition. I do this every summer. I bike crazy amounts and I don't give my legs time to rest. And they just end up getting so sore and overworked. But that's okay. Hey man. This way. Oh, that's sketchy. Okay, well, we're almost at our destination. Thanks for watching. And if you're cooped up inside too much, go for a bike ride. It helps you out, physically and mentally. It does help you out. I needed that today. Anyways, we'll check in next time, guys. Trying to think of something catchy to say. Stay wheeling. Bye-bye.